Watching the CL again. Gonna need a rock star. Nope, now I can trade it like a speed tick. Opened above, just a tick above. So I got a speed tick, bought that. +5. Pretty straightforward speed tick trade. Notice we got this nice hard drop coming down. It relaxed just a little bit and then dropped again. We got an oversold condition, 2 major lines of support here. It tagged this line of support and then opened just above. So I actually had 2 lines of support behind my trade. Entered here, took off. Now there's a rock star if you want to trade that one. I got filled on that. This is where we're counting on that support. This is why we like to have the support behind our trade if possible. Very nice. I didn't get filled. Not on the exit. Not yet, anyway. Hoping this support holds a little bit. All right, so obviously sideways now, right? So this is a good time to start thinking about bringing that stop up. Since the conditions have changed, we would never get into a trade under these conditions, right? So once the well, there we go, +5.